Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy Graham Cracker Gingerbread House. One of the essential tools you'll need is a pastry bag. And right now I'm going to show you how to prepare your pastry bag. This is a coupler and it comes in two pieces. You have the base and the ring. So to get your bag ready, you put the base in and push it up to the tip as far as it'll go. Mark with your fingernail the top ring, the top thread. Back up the base and then trim it off. Push the base all the way up to the end and add your ring. This makes it easy. We'll use several different tips for the pine trees, for the trimming, and it makes it easy just to change your tips. Well, that is how you prepare your pastry bag.